Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Josiah, and today I am I am behind the camera instead of in front of the camera because today we're just going to do a simple unboxing. Don't mind the J2O over there. Don't mind everything in the background. Today we're going to be focusing on these. You already know what it is. You clicked on the video. We're reviewing a pair of Birkenstocks. I wasn't going to do this unboxing. I'm not going to lie to you. I already did open it. I already did try it on. But when I opened the parcel box, I realized that they had included this cute little stickers for addressing Christmas presents. So if you're sending these to someone that you love or care for, then you can of course put one of these on. And they sent me a little chocolate as well. So I was like, you know what? I need to do it justice and unbox it for you guys. Now, you already know which one it is, but the model that I bought is not actually on the box here. I'm guessing it's because it's one of the newer models. But as you know, we have chosen the Kano model. I was actually deciding between the Arizona, which is quite popular. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube with people trying on that one and saying it's really nice and comfortable, but I wanted just something a little bit more unique. So yeah, we went for the Kano model. I did get the regular fit as well. Can't call me no Cinderella, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's just open this up and I'll show you guys what we can get into. So as you can see here on the lip of the box, it says tradition since 1774. Wow, that's a long time. And as you can see here, we've got this sizing chart. It basically just says your first step into the world of Birkenstock. So if you guys didn't know, Birkenstocks have been around for a long time. They're really comfortable, they last a long time, which is why I decided to invest in a pair. The reason I was gonna actually get a pair of sandals is I was actually looking into I'm not even gonna bother pronouncing it, it's these sandals here, and I saw a pair that I really liked and it was on sale and it was just over £100. I was like, yeah, sure, over £100 for sandals is okay. I mean, if it's a designer pair, sure, why not? That was me not thinking rationally. That was me kind of feeding into the hype. The only thing that snapped me out of that reality is the fact that Essence tried to slap £15 on for shipping, and that's when I was like, wait, hold on, no, I swear Birkenstocks exist. And so that's what we have here. There we go. These are the Birkenstock Kanos. I decided to get them in a white because I've already got my Cloud Foam Boost slides, which have lasted me amazing amount of time and they are still bloody amazing. These look a bit different. They look a bit unique and I thought, you know what? These will look pretty cool. I'm actually going on holiday pretty soon, which is why I was looking into getting a pair of sandals to begin with, or slides, or whatever you call these, footwear that you can wear barefoot. I was thinking actually to wear these with socks just to kind of fit the vision that I had with the other sandals that I mentioned prior to this. Upon unboxing it, the quality just speaks to me. As you can see, these buckles that they've got, you've got 3 buckles. These last one on the heel actually comes undone, so I just put those through the second hole there, and the quality is beautiful. Look at how it says Birkenstock there on that buckle, and then it says it across there as well. I believe this is leather, feels really nice as well. And then the bottom here, we've got it's slip resistant, so there's a lot of traction you get in here. I don't think anyone's gonna really read this, but you got this nice little blue segment here. Probably means something. I think this is to do with the size. So yeah, I got this in a 10.5/11. So the sizing on the website is all very different. So you kind of just have to measure your foot and go by the sizing guide. So I think mine was like 180 centimeters or something like that. And that corresponded to the 10.5/11, which of course, if you follow this channel, you know I am already. On the interior, you can see there's this kind of softer material that feels very comfortable. So it doesn't kind of rub against your feet or anything like that. And of course, then you've got the sole. So this sole is supposed to mold over time. It's this sort of cork material. As you can see here, there's sort of a cutout print which helps mold your foot over time. I think it's to do with the heat that comes from your feet that helps to mold this. So I'm gonna be wearing it sometimes barefooted and also gonna be wearing it with socks as well for fashion purposes. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I think it looks really, really nice. You might think it looks ugly. I 100% get where you're coming from if you do think it looks ugly, but you gotta keep in mind the vision of what this is gonna fit, because if you think of like all black and some nice socks and then you just got these, like, what? You're not wearing Jordans, oh, you're just wearing the Birkenstocks, bro? Okay, I hear you. I see what you're on. Yeah, very lovely. Very comfortable from the first time I put them on, and I know from what previous people have said they're gonna get more comfortable over time. I'm gonna just nyam up this real quick as well. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned, and yeah, you get me. Zim Zimmer. Take care. Bye!